How to share a YouTube video in your Instagram story. In this video, I'll show you how to share a YouTube video in your Instagram story. Start by opening the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone and find the video you want to share. Tap the Share button below the video, then select Copy Link. Next, open the Instagram app and swipe right or tap the plus icon to create a new story. Capture a photo or upload one from your gallery to use as the background. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the link sticker. Paste the copied YouTube link, then tap Done. You can resize and position the sticker anywhere on your story. Once you're ready, tap Your Story to share it. Your followers can tap the link sticker to watch the YouTube video directly. That's it. You've successfully shared a YouTube video in your Instagram story. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.